Introducing Living Large. Living Large is a 2009 APHA AQHA Sorrel Overo Stallion. He is sired by These Irons Are Hot, a quarter-horse Congress champion, and sire of many AQHA and NSBA World and Congress champions. Living Large possesses a great combination of size, correct conformation, modern movement, willing disposition, and strong bloodlines that will make a lasting impact in our industry. Living Large will stand to a limited book in 2012.